Hello and welcome to my channel, My Bountiful Palette. My name is Akshaya and I post makeup and skincare videos every Monday and Thursday. So please stay tuned for it. In this video, I created this look right here. This is a very easy and simple makeup look for people with oily skin. But even if you have dry or combination skin, you can still create a makeup look like this with the products that you have. So if you want to know how to get this look, please continue watching. The first step is to moisturize your skin no matter what your skin type is. Even if you have very oily skin like mine, you shouldn't forget to apply your moisturizer because if you don't, your skin will start to secrete more oil. So I'm going to be using the Pond's Light Moisturizer for today. There's also a gel variant in the same range, but this looks a bit creamy. It looks something like this. So I'm going to be taking a generous amount and applying it all over my face and neck.
Behind me, I don't wanna grow, just with myself. I don't wanna grow, the things I love, but behind me.
Before moving on to the next step, please let your moisturizer sink into your skin. If you don't and if you just apply layer over layer, everything is going to slip and nothing is going to stick to your skin. So you have to let your moisturizer completely absorb into your skin before you move on to the next step. My moisturizer is completely set into my skin and the next step I'm going in is with a primer. I'm going to be using the Inglot gel primer. This mattifies my skin and also delays the process of oil secretion. So I'm going to be using this on places where I get oily very soon. So this has a very clear texture and I'm just going to apply it on all over my T-zone and my inner cheek area where I get very oily. I'm going to be using another primer for today just on the outer areas of my face. I'm going to be using the Smashbox Photo Finish Radiance Primer. You can directly go all over just with one primer, but I like to use another primer because this gives extra moisture to those places where I tend to get a bit dry. I'm just taking that much and I'm just going to apply it on these areas where I get a little dry even in summers. Before moving on to the next step, again give your skin 1 to 2 minutes time for the primer to settle into your skin. If you apply your foundation directly on freshly primed skin, there's a possibility of your foundation to slip away. So let the primer sit on your face for another 1 minute before you go on with the foundation. For today's foundation, I'm going to take the Milani Conceal and Perfect Foundation. I'm in the shade 05 Warm Beige. And I'm just going to take a very little amount and apply it all over my face and neck. I'm going to be taking a beauty blender and just buff it all over my face.
I've been here, but I have to stay afloat. It's nicer. Be a person you don't want. Can somebody take me other thing going to do?
So with this foundation, I do not have to use a concealer because this doubles up as a concealer because it is very high on coverage. I'm going to be taking the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. This is in the shade 20 Sand, just a little bit, and apply it under my eyes to give some brightness. This shade is one shade lighter to my skin tone, so this will brighten up my under eyes. To set my under eyes, I'm going to take the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder. I've taken just a little bit on the cap of the box and I'm just going to take my beauty blender again and just set my concealer with this powder. rest of my face, I'm going to be using the Nykaa compact powder. This is in the shade Rose Beige, and I'm going to be taking a big fluffy brush like this, and I'm just going to use this to set my entire face.
Look behind, look behind.
I'm going to take a mini bronzer from Sugar Cosmetics. This is in the shade Taupe Topper, and this is how the shade looks. I'm just going to be slightly bronzing up my face using this bronzer today.
Where's my shy head? Is this called living? Look behind, I don't know, I don't know. I don't wanna grow, just live myself. I don't wanna grow, the things I left. Look behind me. Just live my, look behind me.
I'm going in with my beauty blender to just blend out any harsh edges that the bronzer has given. So before moving on with blush and highlighter, I want to complete my eye makeup today, and I'm going to use the NYX eyeshadow base for my eyelids. A concealer is pretty much a good product for an eyeshadow base, but I prefer a separate eyeshadow base because I have very oily eyelids. So this will help in controlling that for me. I'm taking the same Nykaa compact powder, and I'm just gonna set my eyeshadow base with this, just very lightly. You can use any eyeshadow palette that you have and you like. For today, I'm going to be showing you the Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette in the variant Rose in the Air. So this is how the palette looks. I'm going to be taking this shade and use this as my transition shade today.
Where's my shy head? Is this called living? I don't know, where's the life at? Where's
All
my
the colors
shy
in the palette
head? Is
are
this
very
called
pigmented,
living?
so you have to be a little careful when you work with this. I'm going to be taking a clean blending brush, and I'm just going to blend all these harsh edges. Taking a flat brush like this, I'm going to go in with this champagne color for my entire lids.
Behind me. Just with my, look behind me. Just with my,
I'm taking the first brush that has the transition shade of this, and I'm just going to blend my lid color with my transition color.
look behind me.
With a small pencil brush like this, I'm going to be taking the transition color and applying it in my lower waterline also.
Look behind, look behind.
Kajal, I'm taking the Calabar Mesmerized Kajal. You can use any kajal that you like. And I'm just going to apply this on my lower waterline and set it with a black eyeshadow. I really request you to set your eyeliner or kajal with your black eyeshadow, the one you apply on your waterline, because if you don't, your kajal will smudge very soon.
Look behind, I don't know, I don't wanna grow. Just live myself. I don't wanna grow.
Once you've applied the kajal, take the same pointy pencil brush and take a matte brown or black eyeshadow and just apply it above your kajal to set it. For the eyeshadow, I'm going to be taking the Tartlet and Bloom eyeshadow palette, and I'm taking this color over here. It's called Activist. This is a dark brown which looks like a black. This is a black, but this is brown. It's a very dark brown, and I'm taking that to set my kajal today.
Just with my, look behind me.
So it gives a very soft look and also delays the process of smudging, and it looks very nice. I would love to go and apply a wing eyeliner, but today I would like to skip the eyeliner and use my mascara directly because I really like how the shimmery shade is sitting on my eyelids and I don't want to cover it with an eyeliner. So for mascara, I'm taking the Maybelline Total Temptation Mascara. This is a very nice mascara.
Say me other thing going to do. Where's the life I? Where's my shy head? Is this called living?
So this gives my lashes
I don't know.
a lot of length and volume, and I really like this mascara. I define my brows using the same Activist brown eyeshadow with the same small blending pencil brush, I'm sorry. And next I'm going to be taking this spoolie brush and I'm just going to run it through my eyebrows to define it more.
Behind me, I don't wanna grow. Just let myself. I don't wanna grow.
For today's blush, I'm going to be taking the one from Sugar Cosmetics. This is in the shade Peach Peak, and this is the shade. This is a very muted pink color and I really like this blush. I'm going to take it in the brush in which we applied compact, and I'm just going to apply it in my cheeks.
Just let my look behind me. Look behind me.
For highlighter, I'm taking the e.l.f. baked highlighter. I'm taking a fan brush like this and I'm just going to hit it on my cheekbones.
Look behind. Look behind. Look behind. Where's the life I? Where's my shy head? Is this called living? Look behind. I don't know. Where's the life I? Where's my shy head? Is this called living?
Next, I'm going to go with the Miss Claire Dewy Finish Makeup Setting Spray and spritz it all over my face to set my makeup.
I don't wanna go. The things I left, look behind me. Just with my
For lipstick, you can use any shade of your choice and any formulation of your choice. For today's makeup, I would like to go with the Nykaa So Creme lipstick. This is in the shade Let It Snooze, and this is the lipstick that I want to use today.
just with my look behind me. Just with my
So that's the final look and that's all for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button and comment below on what other videos you would like to see. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button as well because you'll be notified whenever I upload the next video. So until then, stay tuned and stay safe all of you. See you next time. Bye.